shopping centre. Have a ride round and see what's about. Another lovely day again today. Have a ride up here and see what's around. A lot of people around here on bikes. Cracking little bike that is. Cracking. It's enabled me to ride all the way around here and see the RAF, where the RAF used to be based. So I'm well chuffed. This is where the old RAF Ansford RAF base used to be. I didn't know that. I didn't know that at all. I'll just have a look down here because I want to see what's on these plaques. Apparently it was all here. There's rows and rows of huts for the RAF men. Move on. Yeah, look. There you go. RAF Ansford Trail. That's where the RAF used to be based, in Ansford. Nice. I didn't even know it was here. And another one here. There you go. Who'd have thought it? On this patch of land here, in the middle of Cannock Chase, was it RAF Ansford military base. Very good. All the huts would have been on here, on where this grass is. I didn't even know that. Very good. Interesting. See, if I hadn't had this e-bike, I wouldn't have been able to come down in and know that, because I can't walk the distance that I've just been on this bike. So it was well worth it. Oh yeah. I'll have a break up here. Have a puff on my vape. Get in the shade a bit. That was the visiting centre. I'm presuming this is the road out. Yeah, it is. That's a visiting centre where you can get a cup of coffee and a bite to eat. Nice area. Yeah, so what's it about? Loads of little nooks and crannies where you can bike ride. Kids park there. How do? They pay some money for their bikes, some of the people around here. Top of the range racers and mountain bikes. You see them all there. It's a nice cycle ride. Morning. Everybody's friendly enough as well. What a beautiful day. Lovely day to be a pensioner. Oh, no worries about having to get up for work on Monday. Not that I ever did. If you know, you know. Cheers, thank you.
Really fast.
Royal Air Force, Hansford, from 1939 to 1956. Oh, my steering keeps going weird on this. I'm going to sort this out. Do my head in.
I just got caught.
Lovely area. Right. I'm on my little e-bike and they're all on their fancy, expensive bikes. It's funny. I know there's a pool around here somewhere, but I don't know where it is. No idea. Kids play area down there. Nice place. You can go all through the woods if you had a mountain bike and you didn't mind the rough terrain.
Hvad vil I nu sige? Vi er over.
No, I'm inside, man.
Ah? Are you absolute delivering mad?
Probably got to buy the videos, man.
If you're selling them.
Don't take cash, darling.
Oh, don't you?
No.
Hello.
Ladies, how are you?
How are you?
Long time no see.
What are you having? Thanks. Oh,
Nice stuff.
that's it.
All right.
And you, what's that? 4 ice latte. Where's
What?
I'm sorry if I woke you up all of a sudden.
Cheers.
The problem is that there's two sides to it, and it's as simple as this. He can't put anything apart from a plug on the end of it. Something like your lad, he couldn't wind it in. Yeah, plug on it.
That was a nice refreshing drink. Don't take cash, only card. Head back to the van now. Nice little break. The battery's going to go in this, so I'll turn it off until I get to the van. The camper's here again. Said hello to her yesterday. He doesn't come out though. I don't. What's up with him? Got me crash jack on. Always pays to be safe. That was a lovely ride to that visitor centre. That's what it was saying. Cheers. Move your fucking... Oh, sorry for swearing. They could see me coming. Have a break now. No, I won't. Some are miserable twats. The majority ain't though. The majority are nice, polite. You get the odd one or two, don't want to speak, concentrating on their running. So there you go, look how fast I got to that. See, because I'm on the main road now, that's why I've got my hat on. Always be safe. They'll give you a wide berth anyway when they're going past you. Most of the time. Oh, you're kidding me. Well, well, well. Look what I just found. 20 quid. What a bonus. 20 quid. Thank you very much. Can't believe that. I'm glad I come this way now because I won't get him. £20. How did I spot that? Unbelievable. I'm absolutely buzzing. Just found £20. Wow. I can spot it a mile away. Money. I wasn't going to come this way either. I was going to go back the way I come. And then I thought, now I've got my crash hat on, I'll go down the road. I'm glad I did now. £20. Absolute brilliant. I can't believe that. I'm so chuffed. I'm coming this side now to see if I can find another 20 quid. I'll tell you what, that was pot luck, that was. Absolute potluck. Can't believe it. Right. And there you go. That's me bike riding over for today anyway. So hope you've enjoyed that. And I'll catch you on the next one. Blade Travels out.